I'm proud to announce that Sydney Water will be partnering with the Restaurant and Catering Australia to tackle the problems of fats, oils and grease from food businesses entering our wastewater system.
We are extremely pleased to have Sydney Water as our newest partner. There is no doubt that the topic of the environment is now at the forefront of people's minds, and this is a step in the right direction to reminding people to be part of the solution.
We are partnering with the association to collaborate with the industry and educate businesses on how to manage their waste more sustainably. This partnership will enable us to target restaurants in high traffic areas like the CBD. In recent years, we've noticed that our coastal plants are bearing a heavy load of greasy waste, with Bondi in particular showing the impact of food businesses from the CBD.
We know from the amazing research that Sydney Water has access to that during each COVID lockdown, the amount of fats, oils and blockages in the wastewater system has fallen. And when restaurants have started to reopen, those fats, oils and grease have ramped up with them.
The liquid cooking oils used by restaurants harden as they cool down and act like glue, joining with other waste in the wastewater systems, including food scraps and wet wipes, to form fatbergs. These block our pipes and can cause wastewater to flow back into premises, into streets and into the environment. We'd ask all our customers to think about the impacts of their waste, but our retail food customers are dealing with much larger quantities of greasy cooking waste, and so we'd ask that they check their Sydney Water connection agreement to make sure that they're doing what's required. If they don't have one, they can apply to our website. There's no fee to apply. So, we're looking forward to developing a training package with Restaurant and Catering to encourage sustainable waste management in food businesses. Businesses will receive digital accreditation when they complete their education program, which they can promote to their restaurant patrons. They'll become eligible for the Sydney Water Sustainable Restaurant Award at next year's Restaurant and Catering New South Wales Awards. We're also building on our residential It's Best to Bin It campaign with Don't Even Think About It, which reminds businesses that the sink is not a garbage bin. Restaurant staff should scrape food scraps into the bin, and any used cooking oils should be poured into a container and recycled.
Our training academy is the perfect platform to assist in the mission of our partnership to help educate businesses on how to produce less waste and the best way to dispose of it, as well as how to manage their treatment equipment. There can even be some tips on how to save water.